Hey everyone, so today we are going to be installing a much needed fan. Let me show you guys why. So we walk back here, kind of a little bit of an issue. There's no vent cover. Yes, that's a part of a tree. So I already got the cover taken off. We're gonna go ahead and go up on the roof, get this outer piece taken off, get the new one placed in, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride, so stay tuned. All right, so from up here, this will be fun. So as you can see, it's getting kind of dark out. I'm gonna have to chip off all this old sealant in order to expose what screws there might be. It actually doesn't even look like there might even be screws on this. It might just be sealant. So we will see here in a minute. But this thing is just super, super brittle. It's from 1999. It's sat out in the sun. So we're gonna get after it and see where it goes. Okay, that was a little bit of a chore. It's not screwed down, it's just heavily glued down. But now it's dark out, and now I gotta somehow finish this before it gets super dark. All right, had to bust out the headlamp, but got it done. Got everything on there. I just put my corner screws in, and then I put middle screws in all the way around it. Put some nice sealant on there. I know this is terrible video. I apologize. This is not my normal, but got to do it because we got rain coming, so should dry overnight. Got the self-leveling sealant. I'll show you guys that when I get back down inside. So we're gonna take a look on the inside. All right, got everything actually just buttoned up because when I put it in here, I just wanted to hurry up and kind of get it done. I did have to trim this little piece down. I would say it's super important to have a hacksaw handy to where you can cut a good clean line. Wiring it was pretty straightforward. I used 2 of these butt connectors and made sure it all worked. Opening it up, opening the vent up, and then there we go. Now we have a functional bathroom fan again without leaking. So I'm excited about that. So anyway, hey, hopefully I didn't bore you guys too much. I know I didn't do a whole lot of showing the install or anything, but it was pretty straightforward because it just fit right in. There was no extra cutting. I just had to clean it up, use the new sealant on there, or roof sealer, or whatever that's called, and then I'm good to go. So if you are in need of a replacement one of these, I will link this product down in the description through Amazon, or if you're just looking to upgrade what you currently have, which these do work a lot better than what comes in these normally. So anyway, hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you got something out of this video. Hit that like button if you could for me. Leave a comment down below. Would love that. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Thanks. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.